Belly fat is the most unhealthy and stubborn fat in our body. People with belly fat are at a higher risk of heart disease, diabetes, stroke, and certain cancers. That is why you must change your lifestyle and start exercising. In this video, I am going to share 14 amazing exercises that you can do to lose your belly fat quickly. Along with the exercises, you have to avoid certain foods. I have made a separate video on that, you can check it out. I have here also given details about an exercise like how to do, how not to do, and other details. Note here, don't assume that the clips given in this video are the examples of that particular exercise. Those are only for understanding purpose, but you can certainly follow some steps. Don't skip this video, watch the video till the end to know complete details. Let's start. 1. Plank. Target upper abs, lower abs, shoulders, biceps, glutes. How to do? Kneel down on a mat, place your elbows on the mat, extend your right leg back, then your left leg. Keep your neck, back and hips in the same line. Keep your core engaged. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds. Do 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds hold. What not to do? Do not place your palms far away your shoulders. Do not drop your lower back or pike it up. 2. Burpees. Target full body workout that also targets your abs. How to do? Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and place your hands on the floor. Let's call this the frog position for clarity. Jump and push both your legs back and get into a plank or push-up position. Hop and get back to the frog position. Jump vertically and extend your hands above your head. Land softly on the floor. Get into the frog position again, then go back to the plank position. Do 3 sets of 8 reps. Take a 10-second break between the sets. Also take 20-second break before moving on to the next exercise. What not to do? Do not set unachievable goals. Burpees are tough to do. The number of burpees you do doesn't matter. What matters is how many you do while maintaining correct posture. Scissor kicks. Target lower abs, upper abs, glutes, hamstrings and quads. How to do? Lie down on a mat. Place your palms under your hips. Lift your head, upper back and legs off the floor. This is the starting position. Lower your left leg. Just before it touches the floor, lift your left leg and lower your right leg. Do this 12 times to complete one set. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Take a 20-second break before moving on to the next exercise. What not to do? Do not do this exercise quickly or hold your breath while doing it. 4. Crunches. Target lower abs and upper abs. How to do? Lie down on a mat, flex your knees and place your feet on the floor. Place a thumb at the back of each ear. Hold the back of your head with the rest of the fingers. Lift your head off the floor. This is the starting position. Initiate the movement by curling off and trying to reach your knees with your head. Go back to the starting position. Make sure you inhale while curling off and exhale while going down. Do 2 sets of 12 reps. What not to do? Do not tuck your chin in. 5. Sit-ups. Target lower and upper abs. How to do? Lie on a mat, flex your knees and place your heels on the mat. Engage your core and place your hands at the back of your head. Lift your head and shoulders off the floor and look at the ceiling. This is the starting position. Use your core strength to lift your body off the floor and come to a sitting position. Go back down to the starting position slowly. Do 2 sets of 12 reps. What not to do? Do not get confused between sit-ups and crunches. You need to literally sit up and go back down to the starting position to do sit-ups. Do not bring your elbows close while sitting up. 6. Cross body mountain climb pose. Target lower abs, upper abs, hamstring, etc. How to do? Get into a plank position. Make sure your elbows are directly below your shoulders. Keep your neck, back and hips in a straight line. Do not pike off and curve down. This is the starting position. Lift your right foot off the floor, flex your knee and bring it close to the right side of your chest. Place the right foot back to its starting position. Now lift your left foot off the floor, flex your knee and bring it close to the left side of your chest. Speed up and do it as if you are running. Do 2 sets of 25 reps. Take a 20-second break before doing the next exercise. What not to do? Do not place your palms too far away from your body. And do not droop your neck or lower back. 7. Double jump. How to do? Stand with the feet slightly wider than hip width apart and lower into a deep squat. Rise up as if you are jumping but land in a lunge position with your right leg back. Use momentum to jump from this lunge position back to a squat. Then repeat, landing in a lunge on the opposite side. Do 2 sets and repeat for 45 seconds. Mistake and tips. Take your traditional squats off a notch by incorporating jump and lunge. The movement will increase your heart rate and you will feel the bone in your abs, butt and legs. 8. Tabata drill. How to do? Begin with a light dumbbell in each hand. Rack at your shoulders, standing with feet shoulder width apart. Jump feet out wide and jack dumbbells straight up overhead until arms are fully extended. Continue with all out effort for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, dumbbells at chest. Begin jabbing the dumbbell across the body, alternating sides. Continue with all out effort for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat both exercises for 8 rounds total. Do 8 sets and repeat for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Sprawl. How to do sprawl? Standing with your feet shoulder distance apart, squat down and place your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back to a plank and lower your body to touch the ground. Push yourself up to a plank and then jump your feet outside of your hands into a squat. Stand back up. That's 1 rep. If you want to burn even more calories, add a jump between each sprawl. 10. Russian twists. How to do this? Sit up tall on the floor with your knees bent and feet off the ground. Hold a medicine ball with your hands at chest height. Lean backward with a long tail spine, holding your torso at a 45-degree angle and keeping your arms a few inches away from your chest. From here, turn your torso to the right, pause and squeeze your tight oblique muscles. Then turn your torso to the left and pause to squeeze your left oblique muscles. The movement should come from your ribs and not your arms. 11. Leg in and leg out. How to do? Sit on a mat. Place your hands behind you with the palms flat on the mat. Lift your legs off the floor and lean back a little. This is the starting position. Tuck both your legs in. Simultaneously bring your upper body close to your knees. Go back to the starting position. Do 2 sets of 20 reps. What not to do? Do not place your hands too wide apart at the back. Half-seated reverse crunch. Target lower abs, upper abs and glutes. How to do? Sit on a mat, flex your knees and place your feet flat on the floor. Lean back and support your body on your elbows. This is the starting position. Lift both your legs off the floor and bring your knees almost close to your nose. Slowly bring your legs down to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. What not to do? Do not scrunch your shoulders or curve your lower back too much. Strength training. If you have been lifting moderately heavy weights but are still looking to drop your belly fat, it is time to pick up the intensity by using heavier weights and cutting down on rest time between reps. Lifting heavy is where you see more an afterburn effect. Your body continues to burn calories even after you leave the gym. Just be sure that your technique doesn't suffer as you increase your weight, which can lead to injury. High intensity interval training. HIIT workouts are by far one of the most effective ways to burn calories and hike up your metabolism. The best part is these workouts don't have to last very long. Some HIIT workouts can last for only 10 minutes, but it is only effective if you push your body to its limits with all-out energy. Research has shown that HIIT can help burn belly fat, also known as the worst kind of fat, that puts you at risk for heart disease and other health conditions. Try this HIIT workout. After a 10-minute warm-up, spend 30 seconds doing as many reps as possible of squats, push-ups, kettlebell swings and single arm rows. Then rest for 30 seconds and do a different exercise for another 30 seconds. Continue for 10 rounds. Choose any of your favorite exercise. Just make sure you alternate between exercises that work different muscle groups, which will help certain muscles recover while you work others.